Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help you, give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comments section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Wisconsin. Wisconsin became the 30th state to join the Union on May 29, 1848. The original governor was a guy named Nelson Dewey. Now, we know today that the capital of Wisconsin is Madison, but that wasn't always the case. The original capital of Wisconsin was a town called Belmont. The state flag consists of a blue background with the state coat of arms in the center. In the center of that, there are four images: a plow, a pick and shovel, an arm and hammer, and an anchor. Each symbolizes the importance of the great variety of work and resources found in the state of Wisconsin. Now, the state bird is the American robin. The state tree is the sugar maple. The state flower is the common blue violet. The state nickname is the Badger State. And the state motto is simply forward. Short, sweet, and to the point. I love that. Hopefully that's enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job. Good luck, you got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.